Hi, in this short video I'm going to present you a new template, a new Excel template, and it is an employee training tracker. It is a great template. I haven't seen any template like this built before. And being a great template with a lot of functionalities, you have to set up a few things first. So you have the settings tab. I'm going to present you quickly each tab because after that any every tab will have its own video here to present every details in great details. Okay, so you'll have the video here for this tab, you have the video here for this tab. So this is just an overview and a quick showcase for it. So you have the settings where you have the option to record up to 12 main categories for the training. Every main category, every training main category has the option to associate multiple training modules. So you just record here the training module, the abbreviation, and select the category, the main training category for that specific module. You have the option to record the schedules and to set up the year range for this tracker. Further, you have the option to record your employees with employee name, ID, position, department, employment date, status change in case the employee has been fired, and the tenure. You have the option to record clients that will participate to your training with a company, contact person, location, phone number, and email. This section is completely automatically, and this is just a small report for every client, allowing you to see on how many trainings does this client participated, the date of the last training, the name of the last training module, and how many employees for this client have you trained. And you will have a greater presentation in the video that will be linked here. Further, you have the training logs. Basically here you have to record every training. You'll have to select the modules, start date, start time and end time, type, location, trainer, how many participants, and the status, and an error handler will be here for the overlap timings for the training. The option to assign participate based on clients or employees. This is very simple. Here you allocate the participants for any training. So that will be all you have to do. First time, set up your system, record your employees and clients. If you don't need the clients, you don't offer trainings for the clients, maybe you don't, you just don't record anything in here and record only in employees. If you don't record employees, maybe you offer training for clients. Either one works perfectly, one without each other. Okay, so set up the training categories with the training modules, clients and or employees, and the system is ready for you. You'll have just to record the training logs, assign the participants for every training, and then this will be very easy. You'll see the demo for that, and everything further is completely automated for you. You have the weekly view. Basically you just select the year, select the month, and select a week within the month. So for example, selecting the first week, it is highlighted here for the September, and it will showcase every training modules scheduled for the first week of September, with the start time and end time, with the name of the training. It is online, one participant. It is on another location with 5 participants. It is in Vancouver, 5 participants, module number 17. This is reserved all day for this training. This is booked all day because you had to you have the accommodation mentioned for this, and the training is starting at 9:30 up to 10:30. You have the option to select any week of any month, and the weekly calendar is completely automatically updated. Let's change June, second week, as you see here. Let's go in week 4. We have nothing. Let's go in week 5. We have some trainings scheduled here, and as you see, everything is displayed based on month, start date and end date, offering giving you the best details. Further, in the monthly, you have the option to select the year and the month, and everything is being displayed very easy and clean for you. You have September 1st, September 2nd, one training per each day, reserved all day, September 5, accommodation on September 7 with all day booked, and as you see it is red. September 40, module number 7. You get the idea. Once you change the month, everything is being updated automatically, and you don't have to do absolutely anything. Okay, further, employee per year. If you want to see every piece of detail for any employee or any client, you have the option to select the year from the range. You have the option to select, if you want to see an employee, select employee from here. If you want to see a client, select client for here. But let's say I want to see an employee. Right now it is Jessica Smith. If I want to see Michael Johnson, I am changing Michael Johnson, and I see all the details, all the modules and trainings for Michael Johnson. If I want to see Jessica Smith again, I'm just selecting Jessica Smith, and the system will show me everything for Jessica Smith. If I want to see a client, I'm selecting client from the list. The system is telling me please update the selection because this is an employee, and I'm updating. Now I have to select a client, and I want to see the client one for 2025. Okay, and that's all you have to do. All the reports will be presented to you completely automatically. Just select client or employee and then select the specific client or employees. In the other tab, instead, employees per month, you have the option to select month, you have the option year and month, and it will showcase you all the clients or all the employees for that specific month. So if in the preview tab we have the option to see everything for a specific client and month, breakdown by month and day, here you have the option to select to see the list of all the employees and all the months, all the employees and all the clients for any month within any day. So I have the option, I want to see everything for, let's change it for September. I want to see all the clients for September. Okay, and I have the list of clients here, all days from September, and all trainings module for every client based on a day. If I want to see, instead of clients, I want to see all the employees, just select employees instead of clients, and now I have here the list of employees with all the training modules for the month of September. If I want to see instead June, all the employees for June, just changing the month, and everything has been completely and automatically updated. I want to see clients, select clients for June, and I have a full preview of everything that happened in June with all the clients. You got the idea. Everything is very simple. In the training slips, this is used for you. Maybe you want to print a report, you have an audit, you want to meet to present this in a meeting or any other situation, but it is widely usable, and you can use it at each time you need to present a written report. So you have the option to select, of course, the year. You have the option to select a start date, a start month, and an end month. So let's change it from, I want to see January to September, January to July. Okay, as you see, everything has been updated and is presenting you all the clients and all the modules that has been scheduled within January and July 2025. You want to change the year, just change the year, but we have no data recorded for 2025. Okay, 2026. So let's go back to 2025. You have the option to preview everything for all, including clients or employee. You have the option to include the location everywhere, meaning all clients or all employees. Everywhere means all the location, anywhere. It means that on-site, online, or any other location, client's location. You have all for all clients and or employees, all statuses, and all bookings, accommodation or reserved all day. So if I want to, for example, I want to see everything only for clients, selecting here only for clients, you see this red notification, please update the selection. And you have to update the selection because this now needs to refer to the clients. So I have all cities, I want to see the clients for all cities, and I want to see all the clients, not a specific clients. And I see that in January to from January to July I have 2 clients. If I want to see to refer the reports only to employees, select employees, and again all location, online, on site, all location I want to see all employees, or a specific employee I want to see all employees from January to July 2025, and you'll see this list. Instead, if I want to see all, select all for everywhere, and you see everything, all clients, all employees, in any location, in any statuses from January to June. And this is ready to print. Select file, print, print selection, and you'll get the full report ready to be printed. So from the entire tracker, you just have to select in the settings tab, record your employees and clients. Very easy to do, nothing too fancy. And that is everything you have to do to set up your entire system. Settings with training categories and the side module for every training category. Record your employees, record your clients, and that's everything you have to do to set up your tracker. Everything else will be just to record training modules and assign participants. That's easy, very easy. I don't know how to say it, but based on that you get the weekly reports by year, month and week. You get the weekly, monthly reports by year and month. You get a specific, very specific report for any employee, for any client within the any month and all the days. Employees per month, just select year, month, employees or clients, and this very advanced filter with the results prepared for you to print it. This was the quick overview. In any tab you'll have the video with a very detailed description for everything you have to do in that tab. Thank you, have a good day.